Hey guys, this is Carly's, and today's episode is going to be on sausage balls, okay? I'm going to show you how to make this recipe of sausage cream cheese balls. Sounds a little weird, but the flavors together, I promise you, are the best. I know I look a little funny, got my little apron on today, but I don't want to mess up my clothes. I just figured I'd show you real quick how to make this recipe before I actually head out to a party, because this is going to be the appetizer. Well, at least my little potluck that I'm bringing. Okay, so if you're ready to see this recipe, just stay tuned and we're going to get right into it, okay? Hey guys, so this is what we're going to be doing. I have about a pound of hot sausage grounded. It's not in the casings. If you can't find it like this already, just ground it up and not in a casing. You can buy the case sausages and just clip the casing out. It's real simple, and it only takes about a minute. Because that's the way I used to do it, but now my local store is starting to carry them already grinded, so I don't have to worry about that. So we're just going to put that right into the bowl, okay? This is a hand recipe. Now, when I say hand recipe, I mean there's no spoon, there's no gloves. Get your hands in there, get dirty. I love getting dirty, so let's just do it. So we're going to add that right on into it. We're going to have about a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. We're adding right into it. I got my little 8-ounce package of cream cheese. We're putting that into it also. And I'm going to just start mixing it up a little bit right now, just to get a little bit in there and incorporate it. Okay? Now I have baking mix. So this is just a cup and a half of baking mix. All-purpose baking mix. You can use whatever brand you want, from Bisquick to Jiffy. Doesn't matter as long as you add that in there. So we're going to mix this up. So one bowl recipe. You got it all in there. We're going to mix it up real good. And once we finish mixing it up, I'll be right back. I'm going to show you how to roll it out, put it on the pan, and how to bake it off. Okay? We'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're back. I mixed everything up. It kind of looks like this. It's in a big old bowl. Got the cream cheese, got the sharp cheddar cheese in it. You have your baking mix in there. And we just did our monster hands. When I say monster hands, that just means, you know, everything gets all over the place. Personally, I like mixing it that way. If I don't have to use a spoon or waste a utensil, then I won't. That's just how I've always been. So I have me a little ice cream scoop here. And I'm just going to scoop everything out just like this. Put it in my hand. I'm going to roll it into a ball, just like this. And I have a pre-pan right here, already lined with wax paper, baking paper, whatever you choose to use. You can just spray it off if you want with some non-stick spray. So I have that like that. So I just did one ball. We're going to do another one together. Okay, got it in my hand. Roll it right out, just to make it a little pretty little ball. And I'm going to put it about an inch apart in my pan. So I'm going to finish doing the rest of this batch, roll it out, put it in this pan. Once I finish with it, I'll come back and we're going to bake this off, okay? See you in a minute. Okay, so I have all my balls rolled up. I did make a lot, so it did fit in more than just this pan. I have this pan and I have another pan behind me. Okay, and I'll make a smaller recipe version for you to have. Like I said, I'm on my way out, so this is going to come with me. So this is what our balls look like in the pan. We're going to put it in the oven at about 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. And once it comes out the oven, I'll be right back in a jiff and we're going to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so our sausage balls has come out the oven. And this is what our final product looks like. So you see bits of the cheddar cheese in there. You see bits of the cream cheese. We added the Bisquick in there. Well, I use a Jiffy mix. It's the all baking powder mix. And the only reason we added that, look at that when you break it open. It holds it together. You see the smoke coming from that thing. You see it coming from that thing? Okay, let me stop being goofy. Let's try it. That's actually pretty good. Like I said guys, most of the recipes here that I do on this channel, I haven't really tried before. Some of them I have. I like to come at you first time with it so we can see actual reactions and how we actually like certain things. This is really good. I hope that you try this out. And if you do try it out, make sure you leave a comment below. Tell me how it came out. Make sure you like and subscribe to my page. And make sure you hit that notification bell. It'll tell you every time we have new recipes and stuff coming out. So I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Thanks for tuning in, guys.